Here in Ljubljana. Apparently they've done a lot of new architectural city pieces. Here's a new bridge that we're on. It's got some statues on it. Here's a statue. It's got a kind of monster with a tail. I'm sure that means something to somebody. It's kind of interesting. But what really makes this thing interesting is, so here's the fence. It's got cables. I guess those are like post-tension cables. And they've got this theme with locks. You can see there's locks. This bridge is new. I'm guessing this bridge is probably only about 6 months old, maybe. And you can see they've got, looks like they have names on them. June, or either September 6, 2008. Maybe it's been here for a while. Then 2010. I don't know. So that's fairly new. September 6/9 is actually September the 6th. So that's only been up here for about a week or so. You can see there are locks all over the place. Each lock has different kinds of locks. No rules apparently. Apparently all the locks have some kind of meaning on them, I guess. Maybe anybody can put a lock up here. Looks like that. That's kind of cute. Some more locks all up and down through here. That's pretty cool. And when you go over here, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's locks all up and down the thing. You see lots of locks. And of course there's cafe adjacent to the bridge. You can see people sitting down there. I think you can. People on bicycles and moms and cafe down there. Another funny statue. Kind of ribbed creature there. That's kind of, almost got hit. That's kind of cool. Up on the bridge here. Of course, we're right above the river. It flooded just about 4 days ago over the weekend. So glass bottom bridge. Sun's reflecting pretty intensely, so I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can kind of tell there's water up under me there. And then this other new thing, the sun's going to do us wrong. You can kind of see that over there, that little covered sitting area, which is exactly what it is. It's just a covered area. We can go sit beside the river. I'll zoom in. Just a covered area. Go in there and you sit. Cafes. Funny statues, more funny statues, Japanese, awesome Japanese tourists. Oh, look at that. That's the best part of this whole thing. That is fantastic. You can't beat that at all. Okay, would you? Oh my Lord. It's a whole bridge full of them. Fantastic. Alright. Just took Kati to the hospital, just dropped her off. That's it.